Hi, this is the missing error handling part for SQLite and Python. By the way, if you are new to Python or interested in data science, check out the video of this guy here below. It's really funny and amazing. Now let's continue to Python, SQLite and exception handling. In the last tutorial about SQLite, I showed how to connect to a database, how to create a table, insert data, select data from your table, all this stuff, but we don't cover error handling. Okay, now let's do this. For example, if I insert data into a table that doesn't exist, like this, the person 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, I get this operational error. No such table. Okay, great, but I don't handle this error. This error occurs and the code below isn't executed. Now let's use exception handling to handle this error and, for example, print it out if it occurs and just make sure that the code below is executed. The statement to start with is try. I want to try to execute this block of code, but I know there could be errors. Okay, errors could occur, and if they occur, I want to catch these errors, these exceptions. And the base class here is exception. Okay, now I have to indent this. Okay, and after that, yeah, my IDE here, my pycharm says too broad exception clause. Yeah, this means I catch everything here. Everything that could occur will be catched. Every error will be handled here. No, we want to handle a particular error. We want to handle a database error, something that comes from the database, and there is a derived class called database error. Yeah, let's catch this. But you saw it already in the output in the beginning. As we didn't catch the exception, there was an operational error. And the operational error is an exception class that is derived from database error. But we are not that much interested in this particular operational error. We just want to know that this insert statement or this database operation wasn't successful. Okay, we can't execute this insert statement. And therefore we print out error and the arguments e.args bracket 0. And now when we start this, the error will be printed out, but the code below will be executed because we catched this database error. Now let's start this. Here's the error. Error, no such table, person 1, 2, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, this table doesn't exist and the error is catched. And the code after that is executed because we catched this error. Now let me do the same, this exception handling for the next SQL statement, because there's something missing. Our connection is still open. We didn't close it. And in the end, you have to close your database connection. Okay, now let's do the same. Do a try. So what do we want to try? We want to execute the SQL statement and fetch all the rows and print it out. Errors could occur there. Yeah. Now we want to fetch again the database error. Like in the example above, we catch SQLite 3.database error as means we define a variable here with the name e so that we can refer to this and print it out. And here's a new statement called finally. Finally means it doesn't matter if an error occurred or not, we want to execute this code now. And what we want to do is to close the connection, no matter if an exception occurred or not. Okay, now let's correct the first statement. This is the person table, and produce an error for the next one for this SQL select statement. Again, let's select data from a table that doesn't exist. For example, select all from person 55, start this and the error is printed out, error no such table, person 55, yeah. But in any case, and that's what the finally statement does, the connection will be closed. Okay, I really hope you liked this tutorial and you learned something. Here's the link to subscribe to my channel and to my Patreon account. Please support me. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon here on my channel.